Hey y'all, welcome to the Go Raj, hosted by me, Mr. Hollandness, and this is my homie right here. This is Bone. Me and Bone go way back, way back. So we just gonna have a little fun. We're gonna talk about how you can make some extra money. We'll start off with that, and then I'ma just talk about whatever. I don't know. But let's talk about the money first, since I told you we'll talk about some money. The way you can make some extra money is called a virtual dispensary. Virtual dispensary. You can't beat it. Virtual dispensary. A great way to make some extra money. Would you wake up, please? We got a video to do. Okay, there you go. You up now. But anyway, it's called a virtual dispensary. Um, I am the owner of a virtual dispensary, and so is Bone. Bone is actually a owner and a customer. He go both ways when it comes to that. I'm just an owner. I'm trying to make money. Um, but you know what? I'm gonna tell you the advantages of being a customer of a virtual dispensary, and I'm gonna tell you the advantages of being an owner of a virtual dispensary. And then we just gonna have some fun. All right. Let's take Bone for example. He's a customer. One of the advantages of being a customer is you can order 24 hours, 7 days a week from anywhere, anytime. It doesn't matter. You can order from church, you can order from a wedding, you can order from a hospital bed, you can order from home, you can be on a vacation in Miami, Florida, you can order from wherever, anytime, anywhere. And guess what? There's no face-to-face interaction. So if you're a politician, you're a lawyer, you're a high profile person, as some people would say. You could be a minister. You could be the minister of one of the biggest churches in the country. Guess what? Nobody has to know that you're a customer of a virtual dispensary. No face to face interaction. I mean, look at it like this. He's a customer of a virtual dispensary, but I always tell him the reason why he don't go to the virtual dispensary because he's funny looking. And he don't like that. But I mean, look at him. He is funny. Oh, now you gonna give me the finger. That's fine. I'll take the finger. Don't matter to me. But anyway, I got thrown off by that. But yeah, there's many advantages to being a customer of a virtual dispensary. Oh, think about this. I'll tell you another one, and then I'll get to being an owner. But think about this. If you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, think about this. You could be taking a trip to wherever. I don't care. You just pick the place. Long as they got an address and a hotel. So say you're taking a trip to wherever place you're going. Guess what? Um, the great thing is you can order your product and have it shipped down there. That way, when you get there, you time everything right. It'll get there when you get there. I mean, it'll be there when you get there. That's what I meant to say. You can't beat that. Um, but I got something even better if you're a customer. You could take these products through the airport if you really want to. You can. They're not going to do nothing. It might delay your process because TSA might want to check it, but everything's barcoded. They can scan it, and you just sit there and wait, and they're going to let you go about your merry way. That's the great thing about being a customer of a virtual dispensary. But let's get into ownership. I'm an owner of a virtual dispensary, and the great thing about being a oh, now you're gonna go to sleep because we talking about ownership. That's fine. The great thing about being an owner is check this out. There's no overhead costs, no rent, no lease. You don't have no employees because you're not paying for any. You don't have to pay a salary for any employees. You don't have to worry about security guards because you don't have no building. Um, but the great thing about a virtual dispensary, it gives you the opportunity to have less liability. When you have a storefront, and a storefront is great. I want to have a storefront. I'll be honest with you. But the one of the things about having a virtual dispensary is there's less liability. When you have a storefront, you can face liability. People walk into your store and you know that old one, slip and fall. Now you're liable for a person falling. I mean, so I think that's the great part is there's real less liability. There's practically no liability. I don't want to say it's zero because I don't want to go that far, but practically there's no liability. So think about that. Another great thing about being the owner of a virtual dispensary is, besides no overhead, is you can live anywhere. So just like the customer can go anywhere, as a owner, you can move from state to state to state, and guess what? Your virtual dispensary goes with you. But guess what? It even gets better. If you want to move out the country, the virtual dispensary goes with you. You can't beat this. So you'll always be making money. All you got to do is tell people about it. That's all I do. Just tell people about it. And then the crazy thing is I tell people and the first thing come out their mouth is, well, I don't smoke. You don't have to smoke. Come on, people, wake up. Do you think every person who owns a hamburger stand eats hamburgers? Do you think every person who owns a chicken place eats chicken? Not necessarily. Or better yet, do you think every man who owns a liquor or woman, every person who owns a liquor store, does that necessarily mean they drink liquor? No, it doesn't. Wake up, get over here and make you some money. So, if you want to be the owner of a virtual dispensary, all you got to do is email Bone. That's all you got to do. Email Bone. And the reason why you're going to email Bone is he has to make sure that you're old enough, you're of legal age, that you're a real person, all that good stuff. And you're going to email him at thegorage@gmail.com. Again, it is thegorage@gmail.com. And I'll spell it for you. TheGorauge@gmail.com. So go ahead and email Bone and you'll be on your way to owning or being a customer of a virtual dispensary. You ready for them emails? You ready? Oh, you back up now. He ready for the emails? And check his chain out. Check his chain out. He ready. He ready. Speaking of his chain, I got a question. Vaughn think he look better than me, and I say, man, you must be crazy. You can't look better than this. I don't know why you think he looks better than me, but look at him. You think he actually looks better than me, and he doesn't. He doesn't. But that's what happens when you all. Oh, oh, y'all see that? The finger again. It's all good. I'm used to the finger. Getting well. That didn't sound right, did it? No. But anyway, um, moving on. What are we gonna talk about now? Let's talk about 811. 811 is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you dig. And the reason why you call 811 is to find out where the underground utilities are, such as a gas line, electrical line, a water line, stuff of that nature. Um, and a lot of people don't know it is the law to call 811. Y'all hear that crow? I'm outside and there's a crow. Wow. But yeah, it's just nature. Don't let that bother you. But you call 811 because first you don't want to cause any utility damages, and more importantly, you can kill yourself by hitting or damaging a underground utility. You can kill yourself. But if you're confused about 811, underground utilities, or any of that stuff, this is what you can do. You can email a company called Ground Vision. If you email Ground Vision, they will answer any questions that you have about 811. They will answer any questions that you have about Dig Alert, any questions that you have about damages, any questions that you have about underground utilities. Heck, if you need them to take care of your 811 ticket, they will do that also. Their email address is groundvisioninc@gmail.com. I'm going to say it again. groundvisioninc@gmail.com. And it's spelled just how it sounds. All right. We're gonna get out of here, but before we get out of here, we always end with how we can help each other. Yes, I can help you and you can help me, and this is how. If you have a business, if you have a product, if you have something that you sell, you're going to email me and Bone. And what we're going to do is we're going to promote it right here on this channel. We're going to talk about it. We're going to blow it up. We're going to tell everybody about it. And in return, this is how you can help us. You can like this channel. You can subscribe to this channel. Or heck, you can give us what I call the triple threat. You can like, subscribe, and tell somebody about the channel. Yeah, do that for us. So that's how we help each other. So just email thegorage@gmail.com. And one more time, TheGorauge at gmail.com. We about to be out of here. You gonna say bye? Or you gonna say something? Or what you gonna do? Oh, he giving the peace. I can do the peace sign. I'll do that one. I like that peace sign. Peace, y'all. We gone.